welcome back. Hi. So this vlog is gonna be a little different to my others, I think. I just didn't really film as much over the last months. Can't even tell you why, just didn't feel like it. So the last thing you saw was in my fall vlog last year, where I celebrated my birthday, and 2 weeks later we went to France for the holidays. When just hours before our flight, our sink flooded the whole kitchen. We took care of it though and were able to take off. And this is where this 3 seasons vlog starts. There's a bunch of non-studio related stuff in this video as well, so grab a drink or a snack and I hope you enjoy. Hi, so today I'm on my way to a friend to talk about some graphic designs and stuff, I think. Finally, it's really beautiful outside. It hasn't been in a while. That's also one of the reasons why I haven't been filming a lot, and there's just not that much to show. But February is here now and I'm excited. Hello, I just got some new screens for printing, and I also just went to the post office and shipped out all the orders. Now I'm enjoying a snack. Now I'm on my way back home to continue with the update preparation stuff because I need to get it out as soon as I can. So that's what I'm gonna do. Wie war sie nicht? Ist alles passiert? Weil ich eigentlich schon.
perfect.
What a journey to finally get this package. Let's finally unbox it. It's basically open already. That's all I have for you guys in this video, but even though I didn't film a lot of studio stuff in the last months, I actually was creating a lot, especially hoodies and new pant designs. If you want to know what I made, you can check it out on Instagram. And yeah, for fall I want to do a more studio related vlog again. And I also want to do Tutuber in October as well. So yeah, stay tuned for a lot of exciting videos in the next months. And thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next one, which is gonna be the first Tutuber video.